Hi friends, I am Paridhi Trivedi Parikh in front of you. Today I am in front of you with the solution of a Rubik's Cube. Now I have explained the solution of the Rubik's Cube in my previous session series in which I showed the 7 steps to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now after watching the videos, so many students and so many people ask me that how do I solve it? And how many seconds or how many minutes I take to solve the Rubik's Cube. So I thought of creating this video. This is more or so a fun video. You would definitely like to see how do I solve it and how do I twist and turn the moves of the Rubik's Cube. Let's have a look to the cube. So this was the video to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in very few seconds actually. I have already shared with you the solution of the Rubik's Cube in my previous video sessions, right? Now there were 7 steps which you have to follow to solve a Rubik's Cube. But then few students actually asked me that, ma'am, is it really possible that we can solve Rubik's Cube in a minute or so? I said yes, it is very much possible. They actually suggested me that can you just please upload one video which can actualize these 7 steps on screen. I said, oh wow, very nice idea it is, and I will definitely put it up. So this is for those students who have suggested me that please do so, and I have done it for you. Thank you so much. If you have really liked this video, like it on YouTube, subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel, and stay tuned. Thank you.